In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up automatic payments in Square. Start by logging into your Square dashboard. From the menu, go to Orders and Payments, click on Invoices, then select Recurring Series. If you have multiple locations, choose the location you want to use for the recurring payment setup. Next, click the blue Create Recurring Series button. From here, you can either create a new customer or select an existing customer from your list. Once you choose the customer, enter the invoice title. You can also add additional details in the description section if needed. After that, enter the recurring amount for the invoice. If needed, you can also add tax directly from this section. If you use contracts, you can upload the signed contract as an attachment by selecting the attachment option and adding the file. You can also include custom fields if necessary. If you want to charge a late fee, you can set that up here as well. Choose how late fees should apply, depending on how many days overdue the payment becomes. Now, move down to the Recurring Schedule section. Choose when you want the recurring series to begin. You can start it immediately so the first payment is processed right away. Or you can set a future start date, like 7 days or 30 days later. Next, choose when each invoice is due. You can make it due upon receipt or set a different due period, such as 7 days after the invoice is sent. Then choose how often the invoice repeats. For example, you can set it to repeat monthly. You can also decide whether the recurring series never ends or ends after a specific date. To allow automatic recurring payments, enable recurring payments using a card or bank account on file. Then select the payment methods you want to accept, including card payments, bank transfers, or gift cards if needed. After that, add the customer's payment method information. Enter the card details and save the card on file so Square can automatically bill that payment method for future invoices. If you want, you can also enable tipping from this section. Next, set up notifications and reminders. You can choose to share notifications with the client and also receive notifications yourself. Add your email if you want updates about invoice activity. Then customize the payment reminders. You can set reminders to send 7 days before the due date, 1 day after the due date, 3 days after, or adjust the reminders however you want. If shipping is not needed, you can leave that section as is. Once everything is set up, save the recurring series. After saving, Square will automatically notify the customer and continue sending reminders if payments are not completed on time. Thank you for watching.